Going on, family? It's your man B Miles coming to you live once again with another video from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. I actually want to come to y'all with another very important video right here, and this is actually something I actually just discovered right here, and they actually talking about the United States and Iran showdown is going to be at the UN General Assembly. And this is a very important key right here. So they saying that the stage is set for the United States and Iran for a showdown at the United Nations General Assembly. And I'm actually going to read some of the notes from the article and leave the article in the description box so you can also do further research on your own, okay? Now, they were saying the United States and Iran are set to put forward their competing visions of security of the Middle East to the United Nations General Assembly this week, with the United States President Donald Trump expected to address at the gathering of world leaders on Tuesday, and Iranian President Hassan Rouhani a day later, as tensions continue to simmer following attacks on Saudi Arabia's oil fields and the exchange of sharp rhetoric between Washington and Tehran. World leaders are holding out hope for diplomacy to prevail. Iran's president, however, kept up the war words, suggesting that the Saudi oil attack was being used as a pretext because the United States wants to quote-unquote conquer the Middle East region. Rouhani also denounced the United States for imposing new sanctions, called it the move, quote-unquote, desperation. Americans are sanctioning institutions that have already been blacklisted. This signals America's complete desperation and shows that its maximum pressure has failed. As the great Iranian has resisted successfully, Rouhani said in remarks carried by state television. The region has become intense. They make propaganda about damage at Saudi oil's facilities that can be repaired in 2 weeks because America wants to conquer the region. The Iranian president said before flying to New York City to join United Nations meetings. Iranian Foreign Minister Mohammad Javad Zarif again denied his country's responsibility in the oil strikes, which proclaimed by Yemen's Houthi movement and Iran-aligned militia fighting the Saudi alliance in Yemen's civil war. Trump left open the possibility of an unscheduled meeting with Rouhani on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly. Quote unquote, nothing is off the table completely, but I have no intention of meeting with Iran, and that doesn't mean that it doesn't happen, Trump said. And Zarif told CNN that Rouhani was willing to meet with the United States leader this week, provided that President Trump is ready to do what's necessary by exchanging sanctions relief for permanent monitoring of Iranian nuclear facilities. The olive branch has always been on the table, but we're showing it again, Zarif said. So pretty much this is leading up to right here, to the United States and Iran, having the showdown at the General Assembly, at the United Nations, to talk about things that are, going on in the Middle East. So they talking about, rhetoric being exchanged about, the Saudi oil attacks and stuff like that, and the presence of the United States, being over there in Iran, and they pretty much want to outline of what they want to be, having on their agendas and stuff like that. But I had to come to y'all with this video, man, spread thoughts up on this, shed light up on the situation. I felt the need that y'all had to hear this subject. Keep on liking and subscribing to my channel. Always appreciate the love. And don't forget to hit the bell to get all of my notifications. And if you'd like to donate to the channel, the link will be in the description box under the article. And it's your man B Miles coming to you live once again from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. One love once again. Peace.